Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have to start from the page you control. Once logged in as an admin, open the page directly. This gives you the options you need. Next, go to Settings. On desktop, that's left column. On mobile, tap the three dots or Manage. Make sure you're on the page profile, not your personal profile. After that, find Page Settings or General Settings so you can access removal controls. This first action puts you where deletion occurs and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. Once done with settings, scroll to the General section and locate the Remove Page or Delete Page line. Facebook groups these controls together for a reason. Removal affects posts, photos, and messages. Click or tap Delete and read the warnings carefully because removal is usually permanent after a 14-day grace period. You should verify linked accounts or add accounts are unlinked first. Make sure to confirm the delete action when prompted. That final confirmation triggers the removal countdown. To complete the process, acknowledge Facebook's waiting period, typically 14 days, during which you can cancel deletion by returning to the page and clicking Cancel Deletion. If you don't cancel, Facebook permanently removes the page after that window. If the delete option is missing, make sure you still have admin rights and the page isn't owned by Business Manager, which requires ownership transfer first. If things go wrong, clear cache. Try another browser or the mobile app, and then recheck your admin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.